Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Trading 212 and Hargreaves Lansdown, and I will help you to decide which one is better in 2025. So let's begin with Trading 212. It's a popular UK-based app that offers commission-free investing in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. It appeals to new and intermediate investors with its simple UI and mobile-first experience. Hargreaves Lansdown, on the other hand, is a more traditional investment platform. It offers stocks, funds, ISAs, pensions, and expert guidance, making it ideal for long-term investors and those managing retirement portfolios. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, fees and costs. Trading 212 offers commission-free trades, no account fees, and tight spreads, while Hargreaves Lansdown charges for buying or selling shares, up to 11.95 euros per trade, and has a annual platform fees for fund holdings. Number 2, user interface and accessibility. Trading 212 is mobile first and it is extremely beginner friendly, while Hargreaves Lansdown has a more professional dashboard, but it can feel outdated and complex for new users. Number 3, investment options. Hargreaves Lansdown provides access to more UK funds, SIPPs, and bonds, while Trading 212 focuses on ETFs, global stocks, and offers a decent selection but fewer advanced products. Number 4, research and tools. Hargreaves Lansdown shines in this educational content, expert research, and tools for long-term planning, while Trading 212 has basic charting, limited analytics, and mostly community-driven insights. Number 5, they are ideal for Trading 212 is ideal if you want zero commission trading and a simple experience, while Hargreaves Lansdown is ideal if you need full-service investing, retirement planning, and expert support. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.